Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you why is my Google Sheets view only. So if you open a Google Sheets file and it turns out that you are only in a view only mode, so you cannot do or edit anything on the file. That's probably because you are not the original owner of the file, and someone that sent you the file only set your role as a viewer. So you are not an editor, so you cannot do anything into the file. So if you want to know or you want to have access into the file, you can just click on this view only button and there will be this request edit access. So just tap on that, and in here you can add a message to the owner, the original owner. For example, can you give me access to the file? I need to edit something, for example. And after that, here you can just click on send and just wait for the owner response to your request. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the